I'm on a field trip in Tuckers Nob North with some field naturalists. We're inside the area zone plantation, and here is a massive, for a plantation, red cedar. And there is some excitement here, as this may be a bonewood. Here we have the fruit. We've just had a 99% sure statement from one of our field naturalists. All of what you are looking at is zoned FMZ plantation. This is a critically endangered native guava next to a really lovely giant flooded gum. We're still in the plantation. Here is a giant stinging tree with lovely candle vine with those big bright green stingy leaves, and next to it a really nice red bean, both full rainforest. This is a vine, what was it, Coronia vine did you say?
Yep.
And this is the habitat for the critically endangered pink underwing moth.
Correct.
Here is a really nice white beech, and my citizen scientist helper has got the leaf. And here we have one of the biggest ringwoods we've ever seen. This is the seed pod of a cudgery, Flinders shockiana, and here is the mother tree. Here's the location. Biggest tree we found today, 5230, that's nearly 5.5 meters in the round. Look at the size of that. Just to state the obvious again, this is the plantable area plantation boundary. This is all zoned plantation.